Hey, what's up guys? And today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Apple's latest iPhone update, iOS 26.2.1. Now, this is not a huge feature-packed release like iOS 26 or even 26.2, but it does bring some very important changes, especially if you're planning to get the new AirTag second generation. Let's dive in. So Apple just released iOS 26.2.1 and it's rolling out now to all devices that support iOS 26. You install it by going to the settings, then general, after that software update, download and install. This is a minor update, meaning it's not packed with new menus or flashy features, but it is necessary for compatibility with new Apple hardware. The biggest reason this update exists is because Apple just launched the second generation AirTag, and your iPhone needs iOS 26.2.1 to fully support it. Here is what's new with the AirTag 2, all confirmed. Second generation ultra wideband chip, much better precision finding range. 50% louder speaker so you can actually hear your AirTag, and improved Bluetooth range finds items from farther away. Same battery life and design, still user replaceable battery and familiar look. But without iOS 26.2.1 installed, your iPhone won't unlock all of these features, especially precision finding. Another core part of this update ecosystem is watchOS 26.2.1, which works with iOS 26.2.1 to bring precision finding right to your Apple Watch without ever needing to pull out your iPhone. That means if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 or Ultra 2 or later, you can get step-by-step directions to your AirTag from your wrist using haptic taps, visuals, and audio cues. Okay, so besides AirTag support, yes, there are general bug fixes and stability improvements in iOS 26.2.1 too. Apple describes them simply as bug fixes. And while the company hasn't listed every single fix publicly, they do help smooth out performance and make your iPhone more stable. Let's be clear, iOS 26.2.1 does not include things like major UI redesigns, new apps, Apple Intelligence expansions, standalone features you can see in the interface. It is a support plus maintenance update first and foremost. Alright guys, that's everything confirmed about iOS 26.2.1. No rumors, no maybe. Only what is 100% real. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates just like this. And tell me in the comments, did you install iOS 26.2.1 yet? Are you planning to get the new AirTag? I want to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.